Hi everyone. Today we will talk about the technologies as internet and AI has changed or could change the way we learn about history. Personally, believe that the technologies has made history much more accessible. In the past, students mainly learned from a textbook and teachers. Now, we can search for any historical event online and find informations within the sections. How about you?
Agree. The internet gives us access to documentary, digital library, and even online museum tour. For example, we can visit the British Museum virtually without traveling. This makes learning history more interesting and convenient, especially for students who cannot travel.
Um, in addition, AI is playing an important role. AI can help historians analyze large amount of history data quickly. It can also translate ancient language and restore damaged text. This helps researchers understand civilization that were previously difficult to study.
That was point. Technology or alone make learning more iterative. For example, visual artists can allow students to experience historical even in a 3D in in
Environment,
environments,
images,
walking
right?
towards and important modern life to singing for historical gamers. It work make history feel real.
I absolutely believe that is true, but however, I think there are some disadvantages. That's maybe as well. Not all the information on the internet is accurate and safety for others user. Some website maybe spreads the misinformation or some violent content, and student might believe it without checking reliable source, and therefore critical thinking skills are still essential. How about you? Do you have any friends?
Uh, and AI is not perfect either. It's when depend on the data is received. If the data is biased or incorrect, the reason may also be misleading. That's why critical thinking is still very important.
Another issue is that technology may make people rely less on the traditional research method. Reading physical book and analyzing primary sources are still important skills for historians.
But overall, I think the advantage outweighs the disruptive technology have more people as historical new no knowledge uh, young learner if alone make a lesson and to understand.
Yeah.
Here also I have an idea. Another idea is artificial intelligence has also changed the learning experience. AI can personalize lesson based on the student levels and interest. Instead of reading long chapters, learners can ask specific questions and receive clear explanation immediately. AI can also help analyze ancient texts, restore damaged manuscript, and even recreate historical environments using 3D simulations. So in the future, technologies, however, to reality may allow students to work through ancient city such as Pompeii before its was destroyed. This immersive experience could history more engaging and easy to understand. So overall, technology has made the history more interactive and accessible and personalized. If it's used widely, it can depend on our understanding rather than the replay traditional learning. That's all of my our discussion. Thank you for listening.